Greetings, and this video is about painting up model rocks. You are interested in the building process? Check out my video library and you're gonna find a second video that shows how these rocks were made out of styrofoam and speckling compound. We also have a PDF on Patreon that helps to rebuild those rocks step by step. But let's get it on. We start by mixing up paint to prime the rocks. This mix contains dark grey acrylic paint, ultra matte medium and a pinch of speckling compound powder. This mixture dims the paint and makes the acrylics less glossy. You can darken the recessed areas by painting dark grey or even black into the wet priming paint. The mold lines can be easily removed with a sharp knife. I know you need these plastic palm trees, so check out the links in the description below. Time to prime the trunk in brown and the leaves with brownish natural green. I like to overpaint the trees because I like to cover their artificial plastic look. The base gets a layer of dark ochre to match my other jungle terrain models. Paint into the rock area to create a transition between soil and rock. Wash the rocks with a diluted black acrylic paint. Overpainting stains of black wash that accidentally flew down the rocks. And washing the dark ochre base with a raw umber. Dry brushing with a brighter grey to catch highlights and bring out texture. You can use white to brighten your paints, but beige is an option in case you want a more natural, less aggressive finish. And more dry brushing with brighter grey for the rocks. Dark ochre for the soil. Time to add vegetation. A mix of PVA, green acrylic paint, fine turf from woodland cynics and water gets sprinkled with more fine turf. Drill holes for the palms and glue them in the base. The trunks get a layer of fine turf to blend the elements together. By adding clump foliage to your fine turf, it is possible to bulk out the vegetation and make it more interesting. I like to seal the fine turf with thinned down glue and paint. And sprinkle it gently again. Time to finish the paint job on the not covered rock areas. You can color the fine turf with green or brown washes. Potentially wet areas can be darkened this way. Brown washes are very nice when you paint rock or stone to create color variation. A few darker spots give the model more depth. There is always something running out of a dark hole. Let it flow. The very last and very bright highlights finally bring a terrain piece to life. If you like this kind of content, make sure you ring the bell and hit that subscribe button. You want to get into the terrain making scene? Check out tabletopterrainlenny.com. There is a list of products that I use and recommend. If you want to keep this terrain train rolling, check out the links in the description below. Follow on Instagram, like on Facebook, or become a patron. Link, like and share. If you have any questions, drop a comment. Stay at home and make some terrain. Thank you.